Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to create a text box widget in Python. I will use tkinter. First, I'm going to import tkinter as tk, and from tkinter import ttk. This should be on a separate line. Now I'm going to create instance of tkinter. This should be just tk. And I will name it GUI and use tk.tk. And now we are going to add a title. GUI.title. Text box widget. And now I'm going to add a label. ttk dot label, and pass in our GUI and set the text of our label. Label. Now I'm going to position our label green column, set to 0, and a row set to 0. And I'm also going to add a function to handle button click, and I will define it as button click. And whenever the button is clicked, we will have a text box widget where user will enter name, and we will retrieve that name over here. Action configure text, and just add a message with the username hello, and now we will retrieve the username by using name.get. I will declare a name, this variable over here. There's extra parentheses, I think so. Now in our label GUI, and we are going to set the text to please enter your name and then position our label. And column, it will be our grade function, and the column and row set to 0. Now I'm going to create a string var variable, and its name is name, using tkinter string var. In this name we are going to save the user's name. Now going to create a ttk entry widget and assign to another variable, user entry and we set some width and set text variable to our name. That means the username will be saved into this. Now use user entry variable to position the entry widget dot grid and column 0, row set to 1. Now I'm going to add a button, and action is set to ttk button, passing our GUI text on button, that will be click, and the command, that's mean when click handler for our button, whenever the button is clicked, then that is a button click function will be called. So for the command I need to set command is set to our function or method over here, button click. I'm just gonna copy this. Here we created a button and saved a reference in our action, and we will use the action variable to call the configure method of the button, which will then update the text of our button over here. This button, this variable name is bound to the entry widget in our button click function, and we are able to retrieve the value of entry widget by calling the get method on this variable. Now just set the button position, grade column set to 1 and a row set to 1. And now at the end we need to start our GUI dot by calling main loop method and just need to save our program and see how it works. Here with label, our k is missing, ttk. And now I'm going to run my script with Python 3. And here is our text box widget, and here is our entry. I'm going to enter my name, Asim, and click on our button over here, and this should be replaced with hello Asim. You can see when I click on that button, then it printed hello Asim. When I click on this button, it goes to over here, our button click function, and here it's going to change the text on a button hello, and it adds the hello with the name entered by the user. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Asim Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.